Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess you guys are doing so great. So for today's recipe, I'm trying to make tiger nut pudding. My Ghanaian friend taught me how to make this and I decided to bring it here. So if you are new here, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Just watch me till I do this to the end. So guys, for this our tiger nut pudding, you can see here I have already soaked tiger nuts. I bought it, picked all the sand and dirt in it, washed it very well, took out all the sand and soaked it overnight in the fridge. Then this is the rice we are going to be using to wash it until it was very clear. The water was so clear, soaked it in the fridge overnight. So what we are going to do now is to combine the two in a blender and blend to be so smooth. I have a Ghanaian friend that gave me this recipe, so I'm just trying it out and I hope I get it right. She saw me drinking tiger nut and told me, friend, there is a recipe you can make with this tiger nut, and that was how she taught me how to make it. So you can use long grain rice, you can use basmati rice for this. So guys, you can see you can take your tiger nut in different ways, not only tiger nut drink. So adding water. You have to add enough water so your blender blade can spin, except you have the almighty Gucci blender. So guys, you can see I'm done blending and this is what we have. So get your sieve or get your cheese cloth and drain. I need to get the milk out of this place. You tie it and I squeeze out the milk. You can use your hand gloves or you wash your hand very well. When I tasted it, it was so yummy and I decided to try the recipe. After watching, you guys can try it and tell me what you think when you finish it. So over to the gas cooker now. I'm just pouring the mixture in here. You have to turn it gently so you don't take in the debris. So you keep stirring and stirring and stirring until it starts getting a bit thick. You can see this is getting thick. They don't make it to be too thick because it's not supposed to be like pap. So for now it's okay. She used sugar caramel, but I don't take sugar, so I'll be adding my date syrup for this. You can equally use sugar if you want to use sugar. So guys, this is it. This is our tiger nut pudding. This can go with akara, beans or moi moi. But my friend said they normally serve it as dessert in parties in Ghana. So guys, just watch me how I'll be taking mine. You can see our tiger nut pudding. add my milk. Add any milk of your choice. And I'll add in my nut. I'll be using almond nuts. And I'll be adding some fruit, and I'll be adding apple. And add any fruit of choice. And if you want to take yours with akara as a Nigerian, you can use akara, but I'm using apple. So guys, let us test our yummy pudding. So delicious. So guys, try yours and let me know in the comment section what you think. And if you are following up at this point, thank you so very much for watching to the end. Keep sharing and keep liking my videos. Thanks and bye bye.